morning, everyone. 7:30 a.m. on Sunday morning. Excuse me for my sleepy look. I literally woke up just 10 minutes ago. I had only 3 hours of sleep, but I promised my friend and my brother that we're gonna go for a drive today to Angeles Crest. What great, oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm really so sleepy. Great Sunday has to start with Angeles Crest. Good weekend has to be completed with Angeles Crest drive. Sunday morning, go get some coffee. I haven't had the coffee yet. I really need it. So it's going with my G70. My brother came with the BMW M4 Competition, which is great car. Love the car a lot. And then my friend Vic came with the C63 AMG, the W204, the one with the 6.2 liter natural aspirated V8. Just phenomenal car. If not my dream car, definitely one of my dream cars. I'm looking for owning one in the future. So he said I'll drive it. I'll get to drive it, which I'm also excited for that too, because I haven't driven one yet. So I'm driving there right now, getting on the freeway. So I'll keep filming once I get there, get some cars shooting, and then I'll let you know, guys. Once we drive, I'm going to try to attach my GoPro and get some driving scenes too with the boys. See if I can catch up to them with the G70. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm finally back from the Angeles Crest. It's been like probably 3 hours, maybe a little over than that. I definitely look better than I did in the morning. I was honestly very tired, sleepy, no coffee, less than 3 hours of sleep. So we had a very good canyon run. We had the Dodge Challenger supercharged. I love the engine noise, the V8 supercharger. The supercharged whine noise is something else. My friend Vic came with the W204 C63 that has a natural aspirated V8. Also sounds great. And then we had the Supra, and then we had my brother's M4 Competition. That's a phenomenal car for the canyons. We had a very good run. Luckily, there wasn't so much traffic that could slow us down, so we were driving pretty fast, but it was a good experience. Today was a really good day. Then when you take the road to the Bakersfield, it comes to a full straight, so we had a lot of fun there. And then we tried to switch cars. I finally drove my favorite car, the C63 AMG W204. Wow, what a car. It's just a different feeling. Makes you feel very connected and makes you just want to drive the car faster than you're driving it, or just have better experience. It feels very good and very planted, but at the same time you don't want to push it so hard, because C63 is just a monster muscle vehicle. I went with my G70, which Vic, my friend, drove it. Vic is a really good driver, super fast driver. Like, I'm not even exaggerating, he's really good. He drove the G70, he liked it a lot of compliments on the car. He said very planted and very good on the turns. He drove it so fast, guys, I couldn't believe what my car was doing. I thought we were gonna crash it, but I just underestimated his skills. But I literally thought we were gonna crash. I was scared. So today was a good day. I'm gonna edit some videos on my GoPro, gonna attach it to this video, so keep watching it. Yeah, I need to do some editing, and because I think I have like about 40 minutes of videos filming on the GoPro, so I have to connect it to my phone on the laptop and try to cut it or find the best episode. It's a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna get all of that done, attach it to this video. And if you're watching this, that means everything is together, edited, uploaded, and just continue watching to get to my GoPro videos for you to see where we're driving in canyons. Obviously, I was slower than the M4 Competition or Vic with the C63 AMG, because honestly, I'm in the G70. It's a great car, but it's not the M4, and it will never be as good as it is. I was trying my best, but you'll see in the video I'm not that close, unfortunately. But there's always next time. So